Today is so awesome because we are helping 221 little pre-K students over today and Thursday pick out a brand new coat, a brand new pair of shoes, hat and gloves, so they are ready for winter.
It's amazing the way the generosity and the love that they show our staff, our students, our families, and giving back like this is just absolutely incredible. And what's amazing to me is just the way that they continue to go above and beyond what they're already doing to make sure our students feel that love and every single kiddo feels special.
It's awesome. I mean, we have a couple of founders that really care about the community that their business sits in, and so to be able to get our employees out here and interact with the kids, it's fun to see them pick what color coat they want or what shoes they want, and it's a good time.
I got gloves. And I'm ready gloves. My hat. My shoes are coat.